stoned, a little whiskey, and a blinking midnight clock. Speakers on the TV stand, just a turntable to watch. The smoke came out our mouths on all those hooded sweatshirt walls. You were a stroke of luck, you were a gold mine that guided us. From the sidelines you see me roll until